Alright, so these trucks, they require, I recommend you get the motorcraft thermostat, because that's, you know, like the factory part that it needs. Because if you get another one from like O'Reilly's or AutoZone, it might still like have the fans on even though the thermostat is good. Because I don't know why these trucks are kind of picky on the thermostats. But yeah, this is a part. It's a Motorcraft RT1251. I got it off Rock Auto. It was like 20 some. You can see original part. So yeah, that's a part. And you're also gonna need the gasket, or this is like a little, yeah, it's like a little seal that is around the thermostat. Okay, so yeah, that's the two parts that you need. I'm gonna leave the link in the description if you need them. And yeah, so the location of the thermostat is going to be, this is your air intake. It's gonna be under the air intake, right there in this. I don't know if you can see that. It's gonna be this right here. I'm gonna take out the air intake and then you guys are gonna see it better. So let me just do that. Alright, so to take out the air intake, I'm gonna take out these little bolts, then these two over here, this one over here. I'm gonna use a flathead, take out these hoses, and this one right here should just come out. Yep, comes out right like that. And now you're gonna have more space to see the thermostat. So let me just do that. Okay, so I removed the air intake right here. Now just I just unscrew this and that one, and you know, you can just lift it up a little bit and put it over here, and now you have more space and you can actually see where the thermostat housing is, which is right there. Right there. This one is gonna be the thermostat housing. So now the next step is going to be to take out this hose right here. And it's just gonna be two bolts. Gonna be this bolt, and I think there's another one on the bottom somewhere there. So yeah, it's just two bolts. Okay, so here I have my clamps on the I have my pliers on the clamps. I don't know if you guys can see. And now I'm just gonna try to wiggle the hose. Hopefully it comes out. If not, you gotta put the clamps more back. You're gonna have a little bit of coolant spilled, but other than that, you should be pretty good to go. Okay, I just try to take out the hose. I'm gonna try to use my two hands. So yeah. Alrighty, so I took out the hose. You guys can see right here, I took out the hose. spilled a little bit of coolant, but that's okay. Just have some antifreeze ready to put in when you're done. And now we're ready to take out the thermostat, which is going to be right here, this bolt and another bolt somewhere on the back. So there it is. And the thermostat, the old thermostat should be right there. And you can just get some pliers and grab it from here and try to take it out. So I'm gonna use both of my hands to do that, but it's right there. Alright, so I took out the old thermostat, just grab it by the over here, and yeah, it's gonna leak a lot of antifreeze, but I just have some ready to put back in. And the seal, the old seal is right here, goes on top of the thermostat. Yeah, we're just gonna do the same thing, put it back, the new one, put it back in like this one. Alright, so this is a new thermostat with a seal. The seal goes on top like this. And now what you're gonna do is just gonna go and put it back in like it was. It's gonna be a little bit hard to keep it there without the hose, but just try to keep it as much as you can. Put the seal, and then at the same time you should put the what's it called, the hose. So now you're gonna have to use both hands for this, but I'm just gonna try to put it in like this with the seal, and then put the case, the thermostat case back on. And yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it. Okay, so at some point the thermostat does stay there inside of the case. You guys can see there's a new thermostat, and I just put it in and it stayed. Just make sure that the seal is well put around the thermostat, and now you're ready to put the case back in. So right, so I got water outlet back in, this outlet right here, I got it back in. Just with your ratchet, just tighten it as much as you can. Don't overdo it, but just keep it tight. Okay, so now it's time to put the holes back in, same way as you took it off. And now we're gonna move these clamps back to where they were. Okay, so the clamp is back on. Now you just gotta put everything back together. So this one gonna go right here. This one right here gonna go in there, and yeah, just start screwing everything in. And I took out this sensor, just put it back in right here, put it back in like this, and you should be good to go. Alrighty, so I already put the air intake back in, this hose and the sensor. That's pretty much everything I took out. I'm just gonna put some antifreeze because we kind of spilled. So now I'm just gonna put some antifreeze for the coolant, because we kind of spilled a lot or a little bit. So yeah, just put it in till you see cold, fill range, blah blah, and yeah. Okay, so I already put all the coolant that I needed to to the range, and now I turned it on just so that to see if it doesn't go to the hot, so it doesn't overheat. So yeah, I'm just waiting for it to go to the middle and then check it out. But as of right now, the check engine is gone, and I don't hear the fan going crazy, so I think it's it worked. And it was a thermostat that had my fan going very fast, and also like it was on when it wasn't supposed to be on. But as of right now, it's you don't really hear the fan, and it's pretty quiet. And yeah, so yeah, just wait for it to turn it on, leave it on for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and then just check that it doesn't go to the hot, so it doesn't overheat. And check the coolant again, check if it's on the right range, and that should be it. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you find it helpful. Please like and subscribe, and I'll try to have more videos up. Thank you. See you all soon.